Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here at Someday Farm, and you're watching today's Tàijíquán Tip, and I'm filming today's Tàijíquán Tip. Generally in Tàijíquán, we talk about the Dantian quite often. Maybe Qi Hai, you might hear it that way, or but our lower center, let's say our lower center. And we forget, or perhaps we don't learn, maybe we don't focus on the idea that there's more than one Dantian. Quite often in Tàijíquán, when we say Dantian, we mean the lower Dantian, so that's fine. But it's also interesting to recognize, particularly people working on Neidan practices, that we have more than one Dantian, and those three Dantian want to be in alignment. They want to be in coordination. They want to be in communication. They want to be in circulation. And so often we talk about rotating from the Dantian or shifting from the Dantian or expressing from the Dantian. And then, of course, most Tai Chi players then just think the lower Dantian. But I'd invite you to consider before the shift, before the rotation, before the move, before the expression from the Dantian, even if it is from the lower one, to check in with, tune into each of the other Dantian, right? And then act according to your practice, according to your teachings. But to check in and recognize that this is the Dantian is like a herd animal, so it's happiest and healthiest when it's working in concert and together and near its brethren. So as you go through your practice today, I'd invite you to pause if you need to, check in with the Dantian one by one, then proceed the way you ordinarily would. See if you can tune into their relationship, recognize the threads that connect them. Okay? So enjoy that one and reread the principles often.
Thank you very much for the tips. They really helped me stay in business and stay alive. This last one, I'll show you ways to get in touch with me on my link tree. So appreciate all the support and shares. Thank you.